Start streaming. All right, here we go. Have this run for a little bit. Oh, okay, so they don't die still. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna work on stuff. Oh, I guess I died, so I guess that won't be running. Should I even post on Twitter? No one even checks Twitter. What about Fostodon? I don't really feel like posting socials. Let me make sure Twitch is working, I guess. It says I'm live. Offline though. That's weird. Okay, yeah, no, it's good. It's good. Okay, cool. We're gonna lower that. We're gonna make sure my chats are up. Okay. Okay. Yeah, there we go. All right. So yeah, so we have a game, it has music. We implemented that last time. I believe we're in the middle of rewriting the physics. We have sound effects, which I need to add. Okay, that was perfect contact. That was what we wanted to prevent, because I think last time it would have, here I can pause the physics simulation. Last time it would have just like went in between those, because we were just checking the center of the ball in with the rectangle. That is no longer the case. We are now taking into account the radius of the circle. So the things that we need to do is we need to make sure score is still working, because we implemented that, but right now we're not destroying any of these blocks because we're in the middle of a rewrite. I think this is all fine. I think I was on in the process of, yeah, the edges are still kind of not right. I think I just need to make those rectangles themselves. I think that's what I was talking about doing last time. Milton. The volume is still very, yeah, I was talking about doing that. The volume is still very loud. Let's see, I know I said, oh, just like finish this, but like I forgot where I was, and it has been a couple days. I remember doing the wall physics, so this is probably just going to be removed, I think. And now we're using this circle versus rectangle to detect if we have a collision, which we're going to use for the walls. We're not going to do the line logic for the walls anymore. And then we're going to do bounced. We're just going to use this bounce physics 2. And I think we're going to delete, I think we renamed this to do wall physics, so I think we're gonna probably delete this, because our walls are gonna be rectangles now. So let me go through the code. Okay, so this rectangle versus rectangle seems good, so that's why we're changing the walls to not be a line. Oh, I moved my camera. That's why I changed our walls to not be a line, and we're going to do that today. And then I think the rectangles are fine. We just need to get all of the stuff that I had down here. So we need to play, once we have a contact, probably don't need any of this information. I'm going to get rid of it for now, and if I want it, well, I'm going to comment it out for now, and then if we want it, we can have it. I did not. Oh, okay, it's just, oh, okay. Wait, is that it? I just commented stuff out though, like, there's no way this is. Oh, I didn't save. Damn it. Okay. Okay, so this just has the rename. All right. That's right, because I committed on stream and then I found that those were a problem. Okay, that's fine. So here we're going to do bump SFX play, and then we're going to also calculate our score. Amount times y. Yep, we still have a y plus award amount. Cool. Okay. Do I want that at the top, or do I want to do physics stuff first? Doesn't matter really. Okay, cool. So I think that's working better. And then we're gonna redo this probably. Yeah, basically, so this one we still have to do, and the walls we have to do. We're gonna do the walls first because I hope that those are gonna be pretty simple. It's literally just make the 3 rectangles on the left, right, and then top. And then we're gonna keep the bot, since the bottom is game over, we're just gonna wait for the ball to like get past a certain amount, which is 0. So the ball center is gonna be beyond 0, and we're just gonna call that an unrecoverable, and you lost, and so it resets the game. So we're keeping that the same. Oh yeah, I got a little antsy. I know I was supposed to start at 7 on Twitch. I have scheduled myself to be at 7. But yeah, I don't want to do that. Okay, so this was also a real accident. I think I mentioned this last time too, but just how modular this is. This is a lot less repeat code. I didn't intend to do this this way. I was trying to like make one system for everything, but making this more modular, where we just try to see if we have a collision, and then we get the pieces of that collision once we find it. So then we find the normal, and this is doing the line cast from the collision. Well, oh, actually, hold on. Find face normal. Should we go back? Because this is the ball center at the contact. So we're going, so after we've already connected. Yeah, so like here, this isn't exactly what we want. But yeah, so this center is going to be more here, right? Wherever we actually contacted with, and then we're going to do, I swear I did another one. Yeah, this. So yeah, this is going to be, this is doing the center. I guess that's fine. The center of the contact, not like the center of like where we started that frame. Because if we moved, let's say we just moved this frame, or moved this much, this frame. So when we find the normal, we're doing this line check with all the other lines to see if from center to center we're doing that line check, which I think is fine. We probably don't need to do that. Well, if it's a problem, we'll revisit it. But yeah, I just like how this is set up. So first we detect if we have a collision. If we do have a collision and we have the contact point, then we're going to find the face normal, which is purely just to get the normal. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to actually do the bounce physics for it. So this is nice because once we modify this for the player, well, for the ball versus the player, we can do all of this except for the do bounce physics. We can do like, we're going to change it to do bounce physics with the player, where we do the player specific stuff, which is just going to be this stuff, right? Oh yeah, and this can also change because this is calculated incorrectly. We fixed that last time, but we'll get to that. So yeah, let me finish this. So the block needs to update. Oh, I wonder if we can call B, or if we want. Well, let's see. We'll find out real quick. Actually, here, let me just word. Yeah. Well, I guess let's delete that. Okay. Okay. Oh, I guess I should have put the ball there to make sure it actually moved. Yep, alright, cool. Well, that was simple. That's something that just needed to be done. But yeah, that would have been a combo. I really want to add that. I think that'd be really cool. We'll get rid of the debug later. That debug dot for the collision point. But it is nice to step through and kind of see visually what's going on. Okay, so I think I'm confident enough. We also have this checked in. I deleted that incorrectly. So yeah, I think that's fine. I'm gonna make these rectangles. And then I just want to go up here, make a walls list. Sure. Oh, we probably want the screen. Where's the screen? Oh, it's up above me. Cool, yeah. Walls. Yeah, and then we're gonna do walls append. Then we're gonna go down. Pygame rect. So we'll just make the left wall first. Left. So how thick should we make the wall? We'll just say like -20. And then we're gonna be 0. I believe. Oh, and then we need size. Whoopsies. Its width is going to be 20, and then its length or height, I guess, is going to be screen dot get height. Yeah. And this is going to be the top. So this is going to be 0, -20. Maybe screen dot get width. Where do we find that? This is going to be 20. And this is going to be top right. Then we're going to make the right. So this is going to be, I think it's just going to be 0. This is where we're going to stop. No, wait. Where is this? Okay, so it's the top left. So I think, yeah, so 0 on the top is fine. And then we're just screen dot get width. Right. That should put us right there. And then we're going to do 20 and then height. Okay. Oh, good. Okay, sure. Yeah, okay. Then now, how do I iterate? Can I just iterate over list? Do I get that index or? Okay, cool. I didn't know if I had to do like range length. or if I could just do it like this and it would give me the stuffs. Because we had an index it like this for these because we have the grid, which is like the X and the Y, but for the walls we don't care where it is, and we don't need any logic off the Y or off of the rows and the columns of the index. We're just gonna iterate over them. I guess I'm gonna use my keyboard. So here we go. Okay, so what did we say for W in walls? And then what all do we want to do? Why? Okay, so we already have the W, which should be a rectangle. So then we need to do DC contact point. Oh no. I said, oh no, because I'm overriding those right now. I don't want to support that going forward because hopefully I'm going to finish this today. That's another reason why I started. So far my thoughts on, well, Python in general, I don't particularly care for. It's nice language. I enjoy it. If you use it, continue to use it. I don't care, but for me it just isn't, I don't know, I just don't really like it as much. And as for Pygame, I knew it was mostly just like, I don't know, this was my fault, but I knew it was mostly just a wrapper over SDL2 specifically, and then it had all those had the mixer and the font and music, image, all those add-ons, plugins, I guess. Oops, shit. Let me not dox all my friends' IDs. So I knew it was largely just a wrapper over SDL, and like, that's fine. But if I was just gonna use SDL, then I'm gonna use SDL with like C or something, right? I'm not gonna use it with Python. So I was kind of hoping that Pygame would have more higher level functions, make game development a little bit smoother to develop without being like a full-blown engine. But I think I am prepared to do Raylib this weekend, so I'm gonna plow through and finish this just to kind of say that we finished it, and then I'm gonna probably do the exact same thing only in Raylib starting this, hopefully this weekend. Hopefully we'll get done. That's, I'm speaking a little too soon, but that is the goal right now, as of right now, is to finish this tonight and then move on to C and Raylib, because I enjoy the language a little bit better. And then I've played with Raylib a little bit, but they've made a lot of changes and I kind of want to sit down with it a little bit more before I give a final verdict. But let's finish this right now. Whoopsies, it would help if I was over here. And I move down too low. Okay, cool. I'm not gonna store last CP. I think we can get rid of that. Well, let's test these walls to make sure they work correctly. frame. I'm extremely warm. I should have just copied all that. I still can. I feel like I don't type as much as I used to. Oops. Is that it? Do we have more stuffs? Oh, the normal, duh. Okay. And then, yeah, I think we're gonna play bump SFX. And we don't have to delete the walls, obviously, because they're not deletable and they don't affect your score at all. That would stick. What normal did it get? Why is that the case? Yeah, I want to know what normal it is, because I'm afraid that well, no, I think it should be fine. I'm still gonna print it out, but oh, maybe I should turn on my music. That's really loud, I think. I'm just gonna turn it up. Yeah, I'll turn it up there. I don't think that affects OBS volume. That is really nice though, like having this stuff, right? That's pretty nice. I guess C has printf, but it's kind of cumbersome to use sometimes. I didn't think it would hit. Normal's -1, so is that correct? Oh. Oh, it's negative. Wait, whoa. It's -1 on the Y. Oh, I was expecting it to be -1 on the X, right? Correct. Because this wall should be here, right? So the left edge is just really long, and then it's